Let's study coinitial vectors. Coinitial vectors means, at first let it define two vectors with the same initial point. Okay, let's have given the definition. Vectors with same initial. Okay, vectors with same initial point are called coinitial vectors. Suppose that I'm here and I'm suppose that batting. I am batting, some bowler is bowling, and first ball I hit it here, and the second ball I hit it here. Okay, so by some force, this is force 1, this is force 2, and force is what? Force is a vector. So the batsman drives here, the batsman drives here. Okay, by two forces, and this have the same initial point, same origin point, same point of origin. That is called what? Coinitial vectors. Their origin is same. Okay, initial means what? A starting. Their starting point is same. Any two vectors we can say. This is a simple concept. This is one example. Two vectors which have a common initial point, okay, are called coinitial vectors. Thank you.